all in a cab, waiting outside. You nearly passed me, but then you asked if I had a light. I told a joke, could we share a smoke or five? I said I ain't got a plan, but we could hang out till the morning. 'Cause I don't wanna leave you now. Let's take the long way home, just a little more time alone. I don't ever wanna let you go. Let's take the long way home. Let's take the long way home. I'm not ready to be alone. I don't ever wanna let you go. Let's take the long way home. I moved a little too fast, so I gave it back. You said somebody had hurt you before and it caught you real bad. But he don't deserve you, you're gonna learn I'd never do that. I said I ain't got a plan, but we could hang out till the morning. 'Cause I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. Let's take the long way home, just a little more time alone. I don't ever wanna let you go. Let's take the long way home. Let's take the long way home. I'm not ready to be alone. I don't ever wanna let you go. Let's take the long way home.
And a beer was just enough to get us drunk. Walking down the shore, falling asleep to endless evening talks. Young and wild and reckless, we were trying to change the world. But do memories ever die? Do our memories ever die? I wrote you letters to remember the summer days, no lonely nights, the time I used to call you mine. Now every cold December, I wish I took a photograph, but I know these memories never die. Yeah, now I know our memories never die. To the radio, listening to our favorite songs, singing along all the lyrics to all summer long. No responsibilities, just running wild on empty streets. And if you ask me, then I say it's the best it ever was. But do memories ever die? Do our memories ever die? I wrote you letters to remember the time I used to call you mine. Now every cold December, I think about the way you dressed. I wish I took a photograph, but I know these memories never die. Yeah, now I know our memories never die. I wrote you letters to remember the summer days, no lonely nights, the time I used to call you mine. Now every cold December, I think about the day you left. I wish I took a photograph. Now I know these memories never die. Yeah, now I know our memories never die.